I hear all the time, 4 little words. I'm just not consistent. But consistency is a feeling. Consistency starts with identifying with, wow, it's possible I could learn how to be consistent. A simple shift. If any of their listeners, if you're listening, you've ever thought or said or complained that I'm just not consistent, try replacing it with, I have a habit of not being consistent. So then all of a sudden it's like a completely better problem to solve because it's not who you are. It is something that's comfortable in your body. It's a habit. I promise you, we have these reasons why goals fail, and we have these reasons why habits feel hard to make and break. But again, we have the answers to the test. We know that if we stick with it, we can find a way around it. Remove yourself a little bit and call it what it is. It's a habit. I have a habit of not being consistent. And once you do that, you really can see, oh, what if I learned how to change habits? Totally better problem to solve.